been a little chatter between the Warriors and the Cavaliers, and we had, Draymond Green saying his comments pre-season, and we had now Iman Shumpert answering, saying that they're going to bust the Warriors up in the finals. LeBron, though, was asked about Shump's comments, and he said he's not buying into it. He said it would be foolish of me and disrespectful to myself, my teammates, and the rest of the competition to just put ourselves into a third matchup with them, of course, referring to the finals. I haven't even fantasized about it. I haven't thought about it. It's too long of a season. It's too much work to be done to put myself in that mind frame. I have to read to the end of this quote, but I'm going to now show you Tracy McGrady's face. But they're a great team. Tracy, how do you feel about this? He looks a lot like Kermit there, doesn't he?
I get all that in the first part of that, but that last statement when he was like, he haven't thought about it, come on, Bron. So you trying to tell me the year that you lost to Golden State, you wasn't looking for revenge the next year? You didn't just look towards, the finals. You forgot about all the other teams that possibly, and I'm not going to say all the other teams that possibly you could have played against. Yes, you surpassed, you overlooked all the other teams, and you put Golden State in the finals last year because you wanted them. Yes, you're doing that this year again as well.
Yeah, you remember last year, Rachel, when the Warriors were getting off to a 24-0 start. LeBron was like sort of comparing his team. He was like, come on, let's go, look what they're doing, let's go. This year, I think he wants to project himself as being more the hunted.
Above it all,
than the hunter, because wide active. But Tracy's right, come on.
Bron wants that. For sure. KD's on there now. He wants that.
Let me tell you something. When the Cavs were flying from Chicago from Cleveland over to Chicago last night, I'll bet they were keeping an eye on that score. And they probably got into the hotel last night. The game probably wasn't even over because it didn't end until like 1:30 in the morning here. They were probably watching it. LeBron was breaking down every possession. So I don't buy that for a second, but it was a nice quote.
Look, here's the question. The Cavaliers had a Halloween party. What were the cookies about? Were the cookies about other teams?
Come on, Bron.
Not about other teams.
Who are you fooling?
So, but I will say, LeBron always says the right thing, right?
Not always, but most of the time.
Often. He is often
We pick holes in it, though.